Are you looking for a DIY project that requires extraordinary wood? Do you need a new kitchen island or rustic mantel? These are two of the many pieces we create here at Oregon Burls. We specialize in finding the best slabs of wood to turn into beautiful, eye-catching works of art. We start by finding the best slabs of burl wood, mill it, dry it, and then have it available to begin your customizable project. You can shop by the species or by the cut. As an ethical harvester of burl and reclaimed wood, we offer maple, redwood, walnut, and more to choose from. Visit our website, OregonBurls.com, to view our portfolio of completed projects such as river tables from large to small, dazzling dashboards, blue eucalyptus river tables, curly redwood countertop, and more. Give us a call at 541-507-0020 to begin your DIY project with us today. Finding and creating the extraordinary with Oregon Burls.